interact with the crew, the staff, so it just makes my day every day at work. Ano pa?
Ayos na raw bang Tagalog mo?
Medyo ayos naman ngayon.
Thank you, Tita Ethel. Thank you, Mark and Shai. Sorry po, nag-promise ako na at least 5 questions, kaya lang we have to cut short yung QA. Babalik naman po sila later on. So magpasalamat muna tayo sa ating mga bida. Shai, Astasha.
Thank you po! Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Sana po na-enjoy niyo po yung front number ko. Thank you!
And Noel.
Again, good afternoon everyone, and thank you for coming and helping us spread the news about this show. And please abangan niyo po, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Sino? Si Eugene. Okay lang yun. Pero bago na si Donalyn Bartolome to give us a couple of numbers bago tayo magpatuloy ng ating press con.
Baby, you can see it, but if you want, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Donna. I'm so very fly on my. It's a little bit scary. Always wanna marry, looking at my dairy. Hey, you can stare, but if you touch it, I won't worry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad 'cause you're cuter than the girl that's with ya. I can talk about it 'cause I know that I'm pretty, and if you know it too, then ladies sing on me. All eyes on me. No question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. My walk, my talk, the way I dress, it's not my fault, so please don't trip. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Hey, other girls think that I am my art. I don't even understand what galit sila. They're always looking for my imperfections. Malamang tao ako, they need to look at their reflections. Some of the girls think so flat, to the point when you ask about me, baby girl, he will lie. I am a way for you to see he's the wrong guy. So tell him goodbye. If you're looking for me, you can catch me. Cameras flashing, ready turn to set as soon as it passes. Girls think I'm conceited 'cause I know I'm attractive. Don't worry about what I think, why don't you ask him? Get yourself together, don't hate. Jealousy's the ugliest trait. I can talk about it 'cause I know that I'm pretty, and if you know it too, then ladies sing with me. All eyes on me when I'm walking. No question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. My walk, my talk, the way I dress, it's not my fault, so please don't trip. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Hey, thank you po. Medyo kinabahan ako doon ng slide. Pero meron po akong gustong tanungin sa inyo. Meron po ba ditong kaka-break lang? Or meron po? Ha? Kayo po ba? Kaka-break nyo lang po ng jowa nyo? Hindi, pero okay. Okay, kahit matagal lang yun. Minsan meron pa rin ano yun, kirot, di ba? So dahil dyan, inaalay ko to sa'yo. Itong kantang to, para to sa'yo. Okay. Saan ba? Dyan, play it please.